Hello guys, Hassan here and welcome to a review of another Spider-Man set, and this is of course a 4+ set, which is a number 76134 Spider-Man Dr. Oct Diamond Heist. It has 3 minifigures, 1 ramps, 2 vehicles, and 1 of course main build of this set, a Hellborg. So let's take a look quick. First of all, in the box, looks like definitely 4+ set at the juniors line of course. And instruction is really feel very weak. First of all, this first one doesn't feel comfortable, while second one is feel easily, and this one feel like a little bit heavy. And now, yes, this set doesn't have as that much, but whoops, yeah, this set has only at which one wanna build. So on, first pack, Spider-Man blades, Lego light amps, a second one, and Akibama Swap, Dr. Octopus, and him both. Well, they don't much say on this set about editor instruction. It's just short term add me figure, and this set is how complete, which is already not complete. And yeah, now ads. Oh, this is really good, don't count. I didn't add anymore. But let's go with me figure first. So here's me figure first, and with this new Spider-Man is definitely same floor a Spider-Man rescue bike rescue, which is definitely better spending than the 2012 Spider-Man. So this new version, this all more better than just one set. Only my flaw, what I think so messy is, yep, the suits, which is lame because Red Girl still haven't given suit for Spider-Man like Marvel said, but Juno doesn't. This is just disappointment. Well, for Dr. Octopus looks really good. I like her pretty. This hell looks like was older version, and now we got repicked it at the face and have it alternate face too. Was unhappy in the front, having smiled one. And what I don't like this set, this figure is the arms, robot arms. It looks too small. It's ruined this figures. Cause this octopus figure is really disappointing. But if you take a look on the back, you have great detail too. Oh, fake ass. This is actually only good think about Dr. Octopus figures. Very nice. And yeah, again, regards I got this. Force of Octopus, we get detail. Lucky Patrick, disappointing arms. Well, this one especially must be welcome guys at this printed head is will comment, but the face is comes flawless thin. That this flawless first or AC, anti-AC. And yeah, you can tell what I say is true. Just looking at this face, it looks same as thin, which is nice to get tips in a 30 box. I really like it. Also, we get this wrap, which is more lucky and just waste the time. But let's go with me figure. No, I mean Bill next. So we start with a spider plate first, and it's done pretty well. Yet this plate looks mostly meh, but still there are some good stuff. I love using this red white 4x4 with no start. A Spider-Man printed that it's great lucky. And this have this your disc shooting, which is it can't shoot it out for some reason. And that's how it works. These glasses, nothing much say. And in the back, yeah, I really don't like this back that much. I mean, this and girl where tries on it's made her engine, which is definitely they give a white color scheme on the fire engines, but usually with tire modified 1x2 with battle growth really sticks out. It's why recall why you using light gray plate modified 1x2 with handle in the side that they don't much do it. Really sucks regular. But other than that, the plate pieces are really nice. It's a nice lucky jewelry piece. I really enjoy this so much. And yeah, it also comes with a electricity set in the 10 box. And yeah, the spider plate looks way better than bat wings. There you go. This, I really don't like bat wings so much. And inside, in the carpet, it have a which is this one. There's an anything new. What is it? Yeah, there's an anything new, but it's just all set at these wigs on the back. It's just a nothing too special either. Oh. And yeah, and this is why this plate is so meh, is that good. So ASCII Dark Octopus bow, yeah, looks actually good. I like a bow piece and we can call it yellow and green. And yeah, there are all the stuff. What I like it. I love using these plate modified 2x4. We can octopus printing, and these glasses absolutely comes from Photo One, which is nice to get in a 30 box. And yeah, if you take a look on the back, not too special, it's just this old printed and these nice dark red diamonds. But I like using these big long slope with color a with light green for and light gray for a time. And this plate because that kind of sticks out. It's yeah, that but the almost not too special. It's just movement around, which is I actually like it, but still not too special to me overall. But I like using these slope pieces overall. Week A4 slots. Yeah, this still fit more a slot week 4 thought that it would make something special for this Dr. Octopus boat. So yeah, but still a good build. Now, here is a Hellborg, and yeah, it have two type. One in the down, which is a of course a float on water. No, I mean of course Hellborg, a true Hellborg, and in the top on your build, this is basically a crank and one a caragon. So this Hellborg in the background build looks very nice. For this piece is nicely detailed and have these dog actual plate pieces, which is nice. Lucky, but that looks like it was water. I also like this toxic tube to wake up fires. And yeah, that's about this piece I was using. This is actually junior piece. So yeah, that's about it. Well, a crane. That crane looks very nice with the yellow, of course. And of course these pieces, of course for the candy, for on the candy. I don't remember these name, but still. And in the now is using all the three big pieces as well. The riches is nice looking detail. And yeah, those instruments is really fun. But be careful for this Gregor. It ain't fair, but oh well. For this class, I really like it so much. We got just normal white grass. Well, asking for this printed on the plate. Yeah, it's also for all this set. So yeah, not ask about this crank and asking for this triangle. It looks very nice on this diamond printed, and yeah, I really like it. And there's a top on which is you can open, but inside doesn't have it. So yeah, that else about it. Very nice triangle with a diamond printing. So that's about this set overall. Overall, a Spider-Man Doc Ock Diamond Heist is pretty decent. Spider-Plane is meh, but Doc Ock's a boat looks pretty good. But a Hellboy looks absolutely good looking. And in the background looks alright, but I like Konsky overall. As Crank looks pretty nice because young Konsky. Second of Gregor, we could dive in, of course. Dominica is kind of weak. I know Spider-Man doesn't have suit. Dr. Octopus have a small arm. Since I love Facebook and Toysol, and the Octopus assistant is probably the best part of this. So it's maybe because of a faint face piecing. So yeah. This set, and I give a 6/9 out of 10. Maybe because I don't think so. The game 7 was so good idea set. It's just an easy set. But anyway, what you guys think is? You like this set? Oh, you so for a little kid. Let's go and below it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.